know about the little ponytail piece I ordered from Amazon. That's what I've got on. So, you know, if it comes out, then yeah, I'm not gonna bother trying to put it back in. All right, so hey everybody, it's Smiley. I'm back today for another video. And so today we're going to be doing another Stitch Fix haul. I wanted to do one for Chunk Club. I recently did that one, but things were so crazy then. Like we were down to one car. Well, my parents were down to one car, and so I had my car over there so all of us could like do what we needed to do. I mean, granted, I have my other car here, but anyway, the whole idea was that my parents were down to one car because they had to get a repair done, and so the dealership was waiting on a part to come in, and it took several weeks for the part to finally come. And so that's why when I did the Dolce & Gabbana video not too long ago, I was at my parents' house to record that. So while I was there, I got the Chunk Club box, and so I had initially planned to at some point try to get back here to record it. I ended up having to like rush the whole Chunk Club thing, so I really didn't get to do a video. So because I needed to get it back like within a couple of days, like 3 or 5 days. So I want to do a comparison for you all. So anyway, we're gonna do this Stitch Fix haul. And so what I did, I'm gonna give you all kind of like little clips of what my inspiration was for this particular box that I got. So it's kind of like I was looking for skater skirts and then like cute tops to go with it. And then I am gonna try these pieces on, so you may or may not see this hair on my head after trying them, because I can't afford to try to keep my hair looking like this, because it's a ponytail piece. If you watch one of my recent videos, you know about the little ponytail piece I ordered from Amazon. That's what I've got on. So, you know, if it comes out, then yeah, I'm not gonna bother trying to put it back in. So let's see what we got today. And I requested the same person. So the first time that I did this, I had Kelly as my stylist, so I picked Kelly again today. So she says, "Hi Chaz, happy fix day and happy October. I hope your fall is going well. I'm sorry that you didn't have a chance to review the fix preview. Be sure to be on the lookout in your email next time so we can collab on what's in your fix. I saw that you're looking for skirt and sweater / long sleeve top looks." I'm really sad I didn't get to look at anything, but it's okay. It's been a lot going on. All right, so this is the first thing. I got something to say about this top. So like, this is really sad. So I do have a sweater that's similar to this. I actually bought one fairly recently from, I want to say it was on Saks Off 5th, and it's exactly the same. Except this one has black polka dots, that one has black hearts. And I'm gonna be honest, like in this part of the video, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep this sweater. I like the quality of it. The quality is a lot better than the one I just recently bought from Saks Off 5th. But at the same time, both of the sweaters are very much similar. It's a detail brushed knit top, and it's got little button detail on the neck there. I just paired it with these boots that I purchased from Amazon last year. And as you all see, they're like little thigh-high boots. So I just paired it with that. And of course, blue jeans, and then I did my black bag here. So this one's like a very simple fit. I feel like it's like basic, but I try to keep it kind of cute or whatever, but it's obviously not like a dress outfit, but you know, a casual going out on the town or whatever. Just a cute and simple outfit. Oh, this is cute. Okay, so this one has, in the back, it's got like that crisscross detail. You see it? Yeah. I just paired it with these leggings that I bought from Fashion Nova. This is a skirt, obviously, and it's a scallop hem skirt. It's so hard to see it on camera because I can't even see it that well to know if it even looks good. I'm just making the assumption that it does, but I feel like you can wear this if you wanted to with boots, or I do have some heels, so I might try this on with heels and see how that looks. That might look a little bit better. I don't like this one as much. It's something about the colors I don't like. I had no idea how we were gonna style this, but I remember we did the Banana Republic haul, so I was like, you know I have a cream sweater in there, so I decided to pull this out, and that's what I'm pairing it with, since if you look at the plaid skirt, it does have cream in it as well. So I just kind of pulled from there. And then of course I've had this navy bag from Coach for a while now. It's a nice navy blue suede material. So I just decided to pair it with this skirt, and then of course I just did like some beige neutral colored shoes here. However, I am going to try on just like some neutral colored boots and see how those look with it. And I don't know, looking at them, I'm not sure if I would wear this necessarily with these boots per se. I have other boots I would probably wear these with. For whatever reason, like I just don't like, it's the colors. I don't care for the colors in it. I'm not a fan, unfortunately. It looks a lot better to me on camera than it does in person. So I'm gonna send this back. I'm gonna send back the gray sweater with the black polka dots. And then what was the other item that we had? Oh, and then there was a black top. There was a black sweater, and it had kind of the crisscross back detail. I think I'm gonna send that one back too. It's black, and so I have a lot of black tops. I have so many black tops. So I've always been a black and white person. I wore black and white like all the time. Those are like my two colors that I would be wearing all of the time. Black, white, and red. Those three colors are always like on some type of rotation for me. So I've really been trying to expand and like add more color, which I told you all about. I've been trying to add more colors to my wardrobe, which is why the last Stitch Fix haul that I did, I had like olive colored pants and like blue colored pants, and then like a coral blazer and stuff like that. So I was really trying to switch it up, and of course sending this back too. So anyway, that is the end of this video. Thank you all again so much for watching. Thank you all again so much for supporting. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all for the next video. All right, bye you all. Bye.